Hello everyone. From today onwards I want to do the videos on electronic components and various lab experiments which we are doing in electronics laboratory. Okay. In my today's video, I want to explain how to check or how to test various components that we are using in the electronics laboratory using cathode ray oscilloscope. Okay. So testing the components. Okay, so this is the concept. I want to demonstrate it by using the CRO also. Okay, so what is actually CRO? CRO is cathode ray oscilloscope. What is CRO? CRO is a cathode ray oscilloscope which displays waveforms. And this concept also, when you connect various components to the CRO, it will generate various patterns. Various signals it will generate. We will check. So based on that patterns, we can identify whether that particular component is working properly or not. Okay. So what are the components that we are going to test using the cathode ray oscilloscope? Yes, we want to test the first one, resistor. The second one, capacitor. The third one, short circuit. Fourth one, PN diode. Fifth one, Zener Diode. Sixth one, light emitting diode. And the seventh one, transistor. Okay, that we are going for BJT NPN transistor. Okay, so now I'll demonstrate this testing using CRO. Okay. These components, these are the components that I'm going to test with the cathode ray oscilloscope. The first one is resistor. This is the resistor, capacitor. As short circuit, I'm using the wire, PN diode, Zener diode, LED and transistor. Okay. So now let us move to the CRO. Okay, see this is the CRO. Okay, this is channel 1 and channel 2. These two are the lines related to the channel 1 and channel 2. So first, keep it in, this is the dual mode. Now first set the grounds. Yes. Then here there is XY mode, XYCT component testing, press it. And then here there is one component testing knob, just press it. Okay, you'll get this straight line. Okay, now short it by varying this. Okay, so what I did, I adjusted the grounds first. Then I pressed the XY mode, that is component testing mode, and then there is a component testing knob. Yes, you press this, and then there are two pins, component test in. So using these two pins you can test the components. Okay, so let us start the component testing. See, without any connection, okay, it is showing a line like this, it is showing a horizontal line, but now we are connecting a resistor. See this, I am connecting a resistor. See, this is the resistor I am connecting. Okay, just I am connecting the resistor here. Yes. See this? Okay, I am just varying. Without this, you are seeing a straight line, but with this, observing a line with inclination. Okay. Fine. So this is the way to test the resistor. Yes, even you can check with another resistor also. This is the resistor I am taking. See this? I'm checking the resistor again. Again you got that inclined line. Without this we are getting straight line, but with this, okay, we got this inclined line. Okay, in this way you can check the resistor. Okay, so what you got? We got for the resistor, okay, we got a line like this. Instead of straight line, we got a line like this. That is the pattern generated by the CRO when you are checking a resistor. Okay, now then I'll check a capacitor. So this is the capacitor. So this is the capacitor I am taking. Okay, yes, I am keeping here. See this. We are getting a pattern. Okay, so generally I will get a ellipse. Depending on the value of the capacitor, the ellipse will be changed. Okay, so what we got? We got ellipse for the capacitor. Okay, so for the capacitor, the pattern is, yes, what is the pattern? The ellipse type pattern we got. Okay, then I'll move to the short circuit. So for the short circuit, I am taking a wire. Yes, just keep the wire. Yes, you got a vertical line. See that? You got a vertical line. Okay. So for the short circuit, we got, or the CRO generated a vertical line. Okay. Then we'll move to the PN diode. See, this is the PN diode. This is the PN diode. Okay. So here you have that silver line, which is nothing but cathode, and this side is anode. So see here, I am keeping P here and N here. See this? What is this? This is nothing but ideal diode characteristics, Faraday characteristics. Okay. And now if you reverse it, what are you getting? You are getting reverse bias diode characteristics. Okay. So for the PN diode, we got two things. For the forward bias, we got like this, and for the reverse bias, we got like this. Okay. Now moving to the Zener diode. So this is a Zener diode. Okay. Fine. This black is cathode and this is anode. See here, what is this? This is nothing but the Zener diode characteristics, the jet symbol. Fine? Yes, these are the forward bias characteristics. If you just reverse it, then you will get the reverse bias characteristics. That is nothing but your Zener diode symbol. Even if you reverse the diode, see here. Okay, the quadrant is changed, but you are getting the symbol jet. Okay. So for the Zener diode case, we got like this or like this. Yes, for the Zener diode case, we got like this or like this. Okay, then we'll move to the light emitting diode. This is LED. Okay, this is LED. Yes, just simply keep the LED here. See this? This is nothing but light emitting diode, which is approximately equal to the diode. But only this portion is somewhat inclined compared to the normal diode. That's all. See this. Same as our normal diode, but this portion is somewhat inclined, not at an angle of 90, some other angle. Okay, so that is your LED. So what you got? Even for the LED also, we got like this. Forward bias and reverse bias. Fine. Now, coming to the transistor. So this is the transistor I am using. This is NPN transistor. Okay. Yes, now I am keeping the center terminal is base, is the terminal nearer to the notch is emitter, and this is collector. Now I am keeping base and emitter. Okay, see here, base and emitter. Yes, what we got? We got PN diode characteristics. Because is an NPN. Okay, base and emitter means PN. PN means forward bias characteristics. Same way, I'll keep base and collector. See base and collector. Again, I got the characteristics like diode. Fine. Okay. So, for base and emitter, we got like this, and for base and collector also we got like this. Fine. These are the patterns generated by, okay fine, these are the patterns generated by the CRO for different components. For the resistor, an inclined line, capacitor, ellipse or circle depending on the value, short circuit, a vertical line, diode, and the forward bias and reverse bias, you got the patterns like that. And for the Zener, these are the patterns. And for light emitting, same as diode but with inclined line. And for your transistor, as the transistor is NPN, base and emitter are PN and base and collector are also PN. So you got PN diode characteristics. Okay, so these are the patterns generated by the CRO while checking the components. If these patterns are correct, then you can say yes, the elements are correct, otherwise those are not correct. Okay, so that's all. Thank you very much.